Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can be pro verified on your Fiverr account. So you need to do this process and you will be pro verified. You will be needing your phone number and you must write down your country location for it. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to fiverr.com. After you go to fiverr.com, make sure that you have entered the seller mode. So you can see, as I've already switched to seller mode, it is telling me to switch to buying. So you can see I have already switched to this mode. Now what you need to do is go to my business and click on gigs. Make sure that you have filled in all of your gig details. Go ahead and go to your graph and go to the draft over here. So you can see the draft is here. Go to draft and click on this arrow. After you click it, click on edit. After that, you must complete all of this. After you complete all of this, click on save and continue. So make sure you have saved all of this over here. Write down all of the scope and pricing and all of the extra details which you need to do to sell your gig. So go ahead and write down the description next. You can write down the milestone workflow, use a template or create a template of your own. Add your own FAQs, click on save and continue. After you add your FAQs as well, and you must see that you can add a request option over here as well. After your gig is saved, the next option is to add in your personal details of your services. So go ahead and upload your services over here. And after that, click on save and continue. Make sure you click on this box over here. Go ahead and click on save and continue. And the final thing is to publish. So go ahead and click on verify, which is over here. And you can verify your authenticity and identity as well. So you can go ahead and select one of these, click next. Go ahead and select which one of it denotes you. Go ahead and click on next once again. Now you need to share your information and documents. You'll need an ID, payment method, mobile number, and 5 minutes. This is a third-party verification. It is quick and free of charge for only a limited time. So make sure that you've got all of these ready. So go ahead and click on next. Write down your full name, email address, write down your phone number, choose your country of residence, write down your location like address, city, postal code, and click next once again. This way you can verify everything. And you can see verify now option over here. After you click it, you should choose your country and you should also write down your phone number. So go ahead and write it down. And after you've written down, click on verify by SMS or verify by call according to your availability. So you can see that if the number has been connected, you should use another number. Otherwise, your verification process will not occur. So go ahead and write down the new number which you have, click verify by SMS, and that's all. This is how you verify or pro verify your Fiverr account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.